Have you ever felt like Forex has taken over your life, or you don't know if it's really worth it? Welcome to this EZIMAX DC channel. This channel is where I talk all about my self-growth and share with you guys how I'm struggling to get to the top. So today, guys, I want to share with you guys my personal story with Forex, my journey with Forex, starting with my motive to my struggle and also the impact of Forex in my life. And I also tell you guys how I made $400 in 4 days and lost it in 4 days. The first week I started trading Forex. Stick to the end of this video. I believe that everybody trading Forex today have their own side of the story and why they started trading Forex in the first place. And I believe that 70% of people that know what Forex is today is because they were searching for ways to make money online and financially free and stable. People like myself looking for ways to make money online, but there is a story behind it, and this is my main motive of why I started trading Forex in the first place. I'll be very honest with you guys. So friends, on 2020, when I knew what Forex was, I was still serving my boss. But I'm still serving now though, because nothing much to show. But I was still serving my boss. I was just still new. Still serving my boss at 2020, but I want to be financially free. I don't like the condition and situation where somebody will just be bossing you around and treating you like you're kind of a slave or something. So I was just looking for a way to make money and just get myself out of, because it looked like a bondage. Get myself out of the bondage. I am still serving now though, because nothing much to show yet, but that was my main motive. I just wanted to be financially free. I want to be an entrepreneur. I've long wanted to be an entrepreneur. Own a business of my own where nobody has to boss me around. Own a business of my own, a brand that will generate me income. So anytime I see money in my account, I'll be like, yes, this is where it's coming from. A brand that I can easily handle with my phone without disturbing anybody or asking anybody to help me out, or just something I can easily start doing and scale up with. And I stumbled upon Forex, fell in love with it. But fell in love with Forex, I started learning what Forex is, with the motive of wanting to be financially free, to do my own stuff in my own time, buy my own things in my own time without anybody bossing me around. That motive have kept me pushing and riding, even when market treats me unfairly, like when gold mess up my mentality, even when I'm emotionally, mentally and physically down and at the edge of quitting. I just remind myself that you want to get all this bondage, so buckle up. So that's my motive of why I started trading Forex at the first place, and why I'm still trading and still struggling to consistency. I've been in Forex for like 3 years now, and I would say it wasn't easy and it hasn't been easy, but I have one question to ask. All the pains and emotional damage, mental stress we put ourselves through trading Forex, is it really worth it? That's what brings me to the impact of Forex in my life. I don't know if it's just me, or have any of you noticed a change or reshape in your daily life since you started this Forex trading journey? As for me, I would say what the impact of Forex in my life is, anytime I try, the more I try I'm pushing myself to learn Forex. Forex in return teach me more about myself, teach me more about my weaknesses, teach me more about self-growth, my weaknesses, my strengths, and also my potentials. Also let me know that at this stage of my life and at this point of everything, this situation around me, I have to be very conscious of every step I take, every risk I take, because how I gather up to see money to trade Forex is just by, at times I do stab myself, just to see money and trade Forex. So Forex has taught me that I have to take everything, every risk with brain. Taught me to calculate every risk and also be very conscious before I take any risk. Aside from that, Forex has taught me discipline, and it has also disciplined me in a bad, hard way. Remember at the beginning of this video, I promised to share with you guys my my first week experience with Forex. Okay, let me tell you guys something. The first week I started trading Forex, I made $400. The first week I started trading Forex, I made $400 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I made money from Monday to Friday, and I lost it all on Friday. Yeah, the first day I started trading Forex was on Monday, but the week was Monday, and before Friday I already had $480 in a $60 account, in a $60 deposit. And on Friday, which is the fourth day, I lost it all. I was still new in the game. I remember, I don't know anything in the game, and you could also relate to it because yeah, I was just drained by profits. Just added. Then I don't even know what lot size was, and I was just I was just being a newbie thing, trading, taking people's signal. Then I used to take signals from people like Jeff Bernstein, Hobby. There's this guy I really appreciate this. His name is ADFX. ADFX is a very good trader too. I take signals from Spirit FX. And go check him out. It's very good. I also take trade from Omega Trade. I was just combining all those signals. I follow everybody, every signal group. I just did every signal. I just follow. I don't even calculate lot size. I don't even know what lot size is. I don't even know what risk is. And I just made $400, and I was already feeling rich. That was beginning 2020 beginning. That kind of January. So I was like, okay, I'm going to before December I will be a millionaire. I was just doing this calculation that if I can make this kind of money in 3 days before December, I'll become a millionaire and also be financially stable and just get myself all this bondage that I've always wanted. But you already know the story now. You can already imagine what the ending was like. When I lost that $400, I felt the world was over. I felt scammed at the first place. I felt scammed. I was like, whoa. That was my first hand experience with Forex discipline. It taught me that this place is not a get quick rich something, and your should I say your good luck trial or first test trial of Forex is over, and now this is what I am for what to that was what Forex told me, but it was really painful though. I can't really imagine that a day would come and I remember that day and smile it off. But that's my story of how Forex discipline. It has been over 3 years now since 2020, and I've been pushing to consistency. The growth has been very, very important to me. But as much as Forex has taught me a few things, it also took a very big toll of my life. It took a very big toll of my life, of my daily life. I don't know if it's just me, but it got to a point of this journey that I felt like Forex has taken full part of my daily life. Like I was so addicted into learning Forex. I was so drowned in Forex that I didn't notice that I started losing it, because things that I used to find interesting started becoming uninteresting to me. I locked myself learning Forex in the midnight when everybody's sleeping. I bring out my phone, watching videos from people like Alexi, and also watching old videos of Jeff Benson before he became the Jeff Benson we all know. I studied and studied and studied. Was losing it even at workplace. I no longer concentrate. Every small thing I watch video and jot down. I was like, I drowned myself so much in Forex that I also had a very tough time reconnecting with people again. Though, yes, it's really helped me, locking myself up and joining myself into learning Forex. It helped me elevate and scaled up my skills a little bit. But the toll it took in my life was things I can't even explain. I don't know if you have ever seen someone that has been addicted. Have you seen a Forex addict, or let's say gambling? That's the kind of addiction that I had with Forex. It made me just forget a lot of things. I no longer concentrate that much. Some close friends started noticing the difference, the change, in a lot of things. But yeah, I did it all for the future. I did it all for what I'm fighting for. I'm fighting for a bad future, a future where both me and my family are financially free. A future that I don't even know what it will look like yet, but I know it will surely, with the kind of work I'm putting in, it will surely be fine. I trust myself on that.
The upside of this Forex is that Forex is that one business that you can run from any angle, any place in the world, even in your office, in your workplace, your kitchen, even in your toilet. I might still be making more money than someone working 9 to 5 job in months. That's one biggest part of Forex that I love the most. Free and less stress, just willingness you get there.
I've shared with you guys my honest reason why I started trading Forex, the impact and toll, and also the upside of Forex. But there's this one thing that Forex helped me overcome. Though not really Forex related, but it has been something I've been battling over years. But since I started trading Forex, I overcome it, which is fear. Yes. Your biggest enemy in life is your uncontrolled mind. If you don't know that now. Scared of lost, or scared of what people will say. Your biggest enemy is your uncontrolled mind. Let me tell you guys something. You see, laziness kills ambition, anger kills wisdom, doubt kills confidence, jealousy kills peace, and ego kills growth. Fear kills dreams. Fear is one human common enemy, but one of the strongest. Fear have killed a lot of dreams, talents, and also stopped a lot of people like myself from going for what they want. You see, me, I used to be that one person that before taking risk, I always ask myself if it's worth it. I'm always scared of risking things, especially when I had in that thing. Forex has helped me overcome things like when I wanted to open this YouTube channel, for example, I procrastinated it for like 6 months. Post one video this month. For next time you see me is next 2 months. The last video I posted was like 2 months ago, I guess, before I post this one you're currently watching. Procrastinating until I said no. It's high time I face this. Because I was scared of, audience and being mocked, of getting 0 view after creating a video that would take me like 20 or 3 days to edit and also do everything down. So I was just scared and also feeling lazy. But when I started trading Forex, I was like, there's nothing to be scared of, because Forex helped me to approach fear in a better way. And this is how I approach fear. Anytime I start having that mindset of losing a trade, when I open a trade, I start having that mindset of this trade will not go, this trade will go. Forex reminds me that it's not about the trade, it's not about the loss, but the lesson that we learn from each trade, the lesson I learned from each trade and each loss. Fear tries to remind me of my capital and how I get money to trade. I reminded that, yes, I did it before and I will still do it. And I'm not trading to become a perfect trader, a trader that doesn't lose, but rather trading to become a consistent trader that will one day start paying his bill and that of his family through Forex. Because I once saw one quote online before I made this particular video. There's this quote that I saw online that made me say, no, let me start talking with you guys on YouTube. The quote said, if you continue listening to your fear, you might die not knowing the great person you might have been. So Forex and that word motivated me, and kind of spirit in that word kept repeating that self. I was like, stop being scared of anything, any trade, anything that you feel like you want. Go for it, and before going into it, accept 50-50 chance, which is 50-50 you get it,
50-50 you fail it. Accept the failure before you get into the game. First taught me to stop looking at obstacle but put my eye in the target. So guys, that's my story on how I started trading Forex, and all the story I told you are coming from my honest truths, nothing to hide. So I just hope to motivate someone with this video, and also keep sharing with you guys my updates. I'm planning to purchase a $10,000 account next month. I've been saving for like 3 months now to purchase that $10,000 account. I've blown $5,000 account like 10 times in funding people. But this time I've been trading with people's money. You know, people give me money to trade with them, people that really trust my strategy. So we split the money. So over 3 months now, I've been saving money to buy this account, and I'll make a video of it in my next video. I'll start showing you guys my process, my progress on how I'm planning to get funded, and also start seeing small money from that side. So I wish to motivate someone with this video, and if you find this video motivative or anything, just give me a like. If you're still watching till now, give me a like and subscribe. That will really mean a lot to me. Till next time, it's your boy EZIMAX, and this is EZIMAX DC channel. Love you guys.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth.